Mhm.
Hello, Mahesh. Good morning.
Very good morning. I think
How
it's
are
good
you?
afternoon.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I think it's a good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes, but whenever you meet somebody, so good morning for me.
Okay, okay. That's
Okay,
too good.
okay. Great. So, Mahesh, how was your day today? How has your day started?
My day was a little bit busy today.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay.
yeah,
Why do you call it busy?
because I was giving the paper of one of my friends on the laptop with the help of friends.
Okay, so online has made it so easy to do
Uh,
teamwork on examination.
This is new normal.
Right. Okay, great. So, Mahesh, if you remember, we were talking yesterday about focusing on interview today, right? And how, what are the generic questions that they might ask you when you're in an interview. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
And so let's focus on that. Yeah.
sure.
Right. So, Mahesh, tell me about five of your strengths and five of your areas of improvement. Okay. And why do you think they are your areas of improvement? And what do you do to be better?
Okay. So if I talk about my strength is that I'm a very hardworking kind of person. And the second thing, I'm a very quick learner. I learn things very quickly. And third thing, the adaptability. I can adapt in any kind of situation, whether it is place, whether it is a environment, whether it is people. So I am a good adapter. And the third, if I talk about, uh, I'm a, I'm a curious kind of person. I'm always curious about the things. I want to learn new things.
Okay.
And if I talk about my areas of improvement, and that is going to be the
I think
first one is
I think you have one more left in your
okay.
areas of strength. Yes.
Okay, so another strength is that I'm
Say I'm a team player. Say I'm a team worker. That always
no
works.
no I'm a team player.
Yes.
I can work with the team. If I talk about my areas of improvement, it is going to be the first one is it is English speaking. I'm not very good at it, and I'm working on it.
Okay.
And the second, I think uh, my areas of improvement is would be
So areas of improvement mostly means what are your weaknesses. So instead
yeah
of
yeah
calling it weaknesses, we would call it areas of improvement.
yeah yeah
And what I want you to do, Mahesh, is your English speaking. I want you to keep it at the last. Okay. And lastly, I feel that I am still not very good at English, but I'm working in becoming better or working at, at becoming better. So keep that at the last.
okay sure.
Okay. First, talk about personality traits that you think are your areas of improvement, or if there is something that you want to learn, so that is an area of improvement, right? Think about it. Think about what you want to say because this is an important question and they will ask. This is a very generic question. They keep
Yeah.
asking. If you want to leave this question, we can always come back to it once you've thought a little bit about it.
Yeah, yeah, we can get back to it after.
Right? Yeah, yeah. So always just know this that your areas of improvement should always be lesser than your strengths. For example, if you have told us five strengths, then tell us
Okay.
three areas of improvement. In these three areas, you already have English as one, right? So find out the other two. For example, you can always say something like, I am very emotional. So sometimes it's very difficult for me to keep my emotion at bay. And, but I am obviously, controlling that. I understand the difference between a professional life and a personal life, so I am always
Okay.
working.
Sure.
Second, you can always say that my areas of, improvement can be, think about it. I mean, it's very, I think, subjective to people, right? So you
Yeah.
think about what you can say. Um,
Sure.
okay, we'll move on to the next question, Mahesh. Um, so tell us one of such incident where you were really proud of yourself of the part you played in it. Has there any such incident happened that you
Yeah.
consider as your accomplishment?
Yeah. There is one incident in which in my 12th standard, I secured 87% of
Mhm.
MP state boards, in which I got 25,000 for my laptop by CM of a state. So I considered that thing.
Wonderful. What
And
did you
apart
do with
from
that
and apart
25,000?
from that, being and born brought up in a village and belong to a former family, so coming here also been a great achievement for me so far.
Wonderful. So what did you do with the 25,000?
Sorry.
What did you do with the 25,000 you got for the laptop?
Yeah, I got the laptop from the
What company laptop do you have?
HP.
And do you like using it?
Yeah, I liked it.
Wonderful. Great. Okay. So you can, kind of butter them a little bit, tell them that I would love to use this laptop for the welfare of the state because I got it from the state. It'll always be nice to kind of, get to do work for the state on the same.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So add all of that, that gives them more. Great. Okay. So Mahesh, do you consider yourself a team player or do you consider yourself that you work better alone?
Yeah, I would prefer teamwork. I'm better at
Okay.
teamwork.
Do you have an instance which you can share where you did really good in teamwork? Where you had to work in team with people and you did really good. It can be anything in college, school.
Yeah, no, it's not about college school. It was a voluntary work by me and my friends. Once there is a scheme by the government of MP in which they were providing subsidy to the farmers, and they were registration process. So in which we helped my rural people to fill the registration form with very cheaper prices.
Okay. So you can tell them that we help them with the registration process in a very affordable pricing.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. So you and your friends helped. How was that experience for you? Tell us in 4 lines. How was that experience for you?
My experience was wonderful because the other person who was doing this were charging 300 per registration, and that was free by the government. There were no charges for that, but we charged 20 rupees because we didn't want to people to register more than they want, because if we get something for free, we are registering as more as many as we can. So that's why we charge 20 rupees to keep the people registered only for they are literally interested.
Okay.
And the
So
experience was very good. We were talking to different people were questioning us. It's like public speaking and plus handling the people on the ground. they were
wonderful.
asking
Very nice.
they were asking about us the schemes, how it will further be proceed if we get selected. And so we were researching and telling them, and that has been the great experience.
Right. Okay. So you can always say Mahesh to, so the first sentence you said that we kind of took 20 rupees so that people don't keep registering, because as soon as something becomes free, people, start misusing it, right?
Yeah.
So use the word misuse. Use the word we wanted only a sufficient amount of people to register so that this scheme does not get misused.
Okay, okay. Sure.
Okay. Very nice. Wonderful, Mahesh. That's a good example. And I'm really happy that you're already working and understanding the needs of your state and working with the farmers and working with the rural people. That's really good. Um, when you look at the whole scenario of the state, what is that one thing you would like to direct the state resources to? In terms of improvement, what is that one thing you would like to be better in your state?
Pardon, can you please elaborate a
Sure.
little bit more?
Sure. So you're already working for the people in the state. You already know what is running on, what are the key schemes going on, right?
Okay.
Tell me that one thing where you think we still need more development. So if you are selected for this role, what is that one thing you will put your focus in so that you get development there?
I think the most I think I should focus most of my uh, concentration area is that awareness. The rural people are not aware about this. There are many schemes for the rural people, rural youth, and rural senior citizen, but they are not aware about it. So awareness is the most important part. And if they are not aware about it, then that is why the scheme is not implemented properly. So I think awareness is most important part.
Okay, so you will focus your energy in raising awareness.
Yeah.
Wonderful. What about the children of the farmers, Mahesh? Do you think that that Madhya Pradesh as a state has all the facility that the children would need to become better? Or why do you think they need to go outside to Bombay, Delhi? Or what can we do so that the children stay in Maharashtra, get proper education? Do you think it is good enough or is it still needs improvement?
Can you please repeat the question?
Sure. So for higher studies, for education purposes, higher study purposes, a lot of people go outside Madhya Pradesh, right?
Okay.
Do you think as of now the state is doing good education wise, or do you think we still need reforms and improvement in the education sector?
Okay. So as far as I talk about Madhya Pradesh, so there is an IIT, IIM, and uh, pharmacy college, plus there is nursing college, MBBS college is there. So I don't think that student need to go out, but if they get something better than this, they can go.
Okay. How would you, is there something that you think needs development? For example, do you think we should focus on a certain scheme from the state so that the students keep studying in the state?
Yeah, there should be more prestigious colleges like IIT, IIMs, and MBBS colleges, which is
Okay.
required, because there is only one IIT and IIM, so which is not sufficient for the all people who are aspiring to do their MBAs and engineering from prestigious college, and that is why they go the another states for doing their further studies. So if there would be more colleges and more facilities, they won't go outside of this state.
Wonderful. You can also add a little bit more, Mahesh. You can also tell them that if with the IIT, IIM, and the prestigious colleges that we have in Madhya Pradesh, if the government partners with them and provides financial aid for all the students who are below poverty line and cannot take education, right, but are very, very good students, have very good marks, merit basis,
Okay.
on the merit basis, if the government can introduce some financial aid, some scholarships for these kind of students, that will also promote education in the state,
Yeah, sure.
right? So you can add such points to show them that we can always partner with these private colleges and get people to enroll more, right? Okay, wonderful. Great, Mahesh. That sounds good. I will not grill you with more questions for today. Find out about your areas of weakness for sure, right? See what you would like to say, which obviously does not hamper your work. Um, the other thing that I would like you to focus on is to use smaller sentences when you're talking to them. Okay, because
Okay.
the longer we make, you remember how when I make long sentences, it's difficult for you to understand,
Yeah.
right? So the longer you make a sentence, suddenly the sentence starts losing meaning. Yeah. So try and complete them in smaller sentences.
Okay.
If need be, um, go to Google, find out a few questions, and just write answers to them. But write in small sentences. See if you are being able to complete them in small sentences.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Apart from that, I think everything was else was fine. You were doing good. We'll keep more questions for later. We'll come back to it, right?
Okay.
Great. Tell me a little bit about today's. Did you read about today's session material?
No, I haven't. I didn't got time. Didn't get
That
time to.
that's completely fine. That's fine. Okay, let's talk about Mahesh as a brand. Okay, if Mahesh was a brand, okay,
Okay.
what will be the brand statement? The brand statement generally talks about what is your strengths, what are your strong points, and what you will be doing for people, or what your brand wants to talk about, right? For example, if you are using Apollo tires as a brand, okay, if you're still looking at Apollo tires as the brand, they talk about reliability, they talk about power and strength because their wheels have to be really, really powerful, right? They talk about how reliable it is on road, they talk about safety, right? So there are certain things that you suddenly get remind. So for example, if you talk about Coca-Cola, what does Coca-Cola remind you of?
Spirit,
Okay,
energy. No.
right?
Yeah.
So you remember first thing that hits you is cold, right? Because it's cold. You want to drink Coca-Cola cold, otherwise it's no point drinking it. right? So you want to enjoy it cold. You want it to be in a either transparent glass because you like seeing the color of Coca-Cola, right? Then again, like you said, it's spirit, there is carbon, there is sweet water, right?
Yeah.
So all of that, then there is, you always remind of party, right? Because people generally order Coke when there's a party going on, right? Or
Yeah.
if people are drinking, or if people are drinking, or if there is a birthday party, because in birthday parties, people serve a lot of cold drinks, right?
Okay.
So you remember of parties, you remember of people hanging out together, you remember chit-chatting or eating snacks, all of that comes with Coke. So imagine if Mahesh has to be a brand, what are the
Okay.
few things people should remember if Mahesh, the name Mahesh Nagada is mentioned? What are the few things that people should remember?
A lot more than they heard.
Yeah. So what will be those qualities? So what do you think? Just like with Coke, with Apollo tires, we came out with words, right? What will Mahesh's words be?
My shoes would be all about learning new things and traveling and
Okay.
hard working and curiosity.
Okay. I want you to do this, Mahesh. Since it's a very short time and I've given you the question right now, I want you to create a brand statement for yourself. Okay. So
Okay.
look at, go to, research on Google, see how what is a brand statement and how a brand statement is created. Okay. Then I want you to work on Mahesh Nagra as a brand. Okay. Think of how a brand statement can be created. Think of if you have to promote yourself, what are the few things you will use in the promotional activity. For example, Coca-Cola advertises in television, it advertises in movie theaters, right? Then a lot of people advertise in the radio, a lot of people advertise on Instagram, Facebook. So if Mahesh has to choose promotions, where will he promote and what will he promote? Okay.
Sure.
So next time we will talk about Mahesh as a brand and let's see how that goes. Okay. It will be easier for you to talk about yourself in the interview then.
Okay, sure. I will work on it.
Wonderful. Great, Mahesh. Thank you so much. Is there any question before we move on?
No, not for today.